And also we can change the verb. And also verb. So we can also change 去 like this one. I think you know this one. You know this one? Yes, to eat. 吃。So 你吃，对，吃，roll your tongue， 吃 ，yes。So 你吃过中国菜吗？对，中国菜 actually means Chinese food， 对。中国菜，对，你知道 right？ 香菜，Okay, can you type for me? Okay. Oh, it's okay. Got it, I saw it. Western food, yeah, Western food we say 西餐。Yeah, 西餐 is the Western food, and the 中国菜 is like Chinese food. Okay. 中国 it means China. 中国菜 Chinese food. Mm-hmm. 对，中国。Yes, this pronunciation it's on. 对，中国。Yes, 中国菜。And 西餐。Yes, it's the Western food. Okay, so let's do some practice. 你吃过中国菜吗？Business, 你吃过中国菜吗 ？Means have you ever eaten Chinese food before? Can you try to answer me? 对 ，Don't forget to go. 我吃过中国菜 It means I have eaten Chinese before. Yes, great. Okay, so 你吃过西餐吗？Yes, great. 我吃过西餐。Yes, better. 我吃过西餐。Okay, so 你吃过什么中国菜 ？Which Chinese food have you eaten before? Noodles. Noodles. Noodles we can just say 面条。It's noodles. 面条。So yeah. So 你吃过面条吗 Yes, great. And 还有 another one， 你吃过什么中国菜？什么 ？Fried rice? It's 粥。对 ，this one 粥。Let me type you. So 粥饭 right? You eat it in 餐厅 right? Sorry. Sorry. Fish. Fish we say 鱼。Yes, 鱼。Yeah, so 你吃过鱼吗？对，很好。Okay, so how about some dumplings maybe? Yeah, it's 饺子。Yes, so 你吃过饺子吗？Yes. So you know the Spring Festival is coming. So in Spring Festival, Chinese will eat 饺子。我们会吃饺子。
Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Leave your comments below to tell us what topics you want to learn next. Don't forget to click down below to subscribe to our channel. We have new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time. 再见。